డిస్కౌంటా? ఎట్లా కొంటున్నాం తెలుసా?
Yeah, this is the third,
We are
fourth
buying
delivery.
like chocolates.
Fourth delivery.
What made you buy the 1250GS?
Passion for bikes.
Okay, what do you like about 1250?
Price.
Okay, how much was it?
Not much.
Currently unboxing चल रहा है अभी, but lovely color यार. Kishore,
Color
congratulations.
Best ever I've ever seen.
Thank you.
Hey guys, good morning. I haven't completed my intro because some of you have commented that it's not that great. Need to probably change that. If you have any alternate suggestions, please leave it in the comment section and we'll figure out something. Sometimes no intro is a good intro too. Back on my street win, heading to Chandi's house. There is a function there and there's a chance we might take the delivery of the 1250 Kishore's bike today. Heading to the showroom now. It's going to be a half an hour or maybe 40 minutes ride, but seems like not much of traffic. Srujan's already waiting at the showroom, and me, Chaitanya, Sriman, Aditya, Shiva are going from Chandi's place. The stretch from here to the showroom, actually this whole Jubilee Hills, Banjara Hills area roads are quite good, guys. It used to be much better actually long time back, but I am enjoying my ride today on this bike. I still remember when I was about to pick this bike, I went for a test drive of the Harley Davidson Iron 883. At that time, Iron 883 was a dream bike for me, guys. It was something I dreamt of taking for almost 5 to 7 years, I guess. When I test drove both these bikes back to back, it was a night and day difference between this and the Harley. This was so much better. It felt lighter, it had better electronic, and I just fell in love instantly. Oh man, gonna miss KBR Park for a while. No more running till at least next 4 months. That's gonna be tough. Even traction control kicked in, man. Kia Seltos. I booked this car but then didn't take it because I got the BMW 850GS. But the point of today's discussion is not about Seltos, it's about the BMW 1250GS, guys. It's the pinnacle of adventure motorcycle. This is the advantage of being in a bikers group. You get the choice of all the bikes that you love. Maybe we'll get a Ducati soon.
A few moments later.
నేను అరే ఒకటి చెప్తా, whichever I take, I'll use it for more than 5 years.
While these guys are discussing about cars, we're waiting for Kishore's bike to get ready. We're fitting engine guards on his bike. Once they're done, it's time for delivery. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
On the 1250. Ippudana ride lo outra, please ra. If you all want him to ride in our trips, make sure there are enough comments for him to notice. And next BMW boy is Chanti.
ఇంకొక 2, 3, 4, 5 years.
నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ వస్తుంది అయితే. అదిగో నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ దాని సీక్వెల్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ BMW డెలివరీ ఇధర్ హోగా.
किसको पता? इधर होगा. Fourth BMW, fifth BMW. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, pull. चलो आ जाइए
సీటు పడుకోవడానికి బాగుంది.
పొడుకోకు మళ్ళీ బండి మీద. There are so many firsts with this bike about 20 lakhs in our group. The first shaft driven bike, the first liter class adventure bike, what else, the first 20 liter capacity bike.
I think this is the only keyless entry bike you've got.
Oh yes, first boxer engine actually, right? Mr. Panda, is this your next bike?
I don't know. ఇంకా నీ ఏజ్ ఏంది నీకు ఏజ్ ఏంది అంటారు తీసుకుంటే.
This is a huge resort, guys.